Good morning everyone. Today we are going to solve few numerical on the topic motion. Now the first question of the NCERT exercise book is an athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds? In this question, it's been discussed about a circular track of diameter 200 meter. So the distance between AB is 200 meter and it is diameter. Now there is an athlete which start running from the point A and it's complete one round in 40 seconds, means one revolution in 40 seconds. This is the time taken to complete a one rotation, okay, or one revolution. So what will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds? So 2 minutes and 20 seconds. This will be equal to 140 seconds. Clear? So in the given question, the athlete complete one round in 40 seconds. So what will happen in 140 seconds? अगर कोई एक राउंड 40 सेकंड में लगा लेता है तो 140 राउंड में वो कितना लगाएगा? अगर एक राउंड वो 40 में लगाता है तो 140 सेकंड में वो कितना राउंड लगाएगा? एनी प्रॉब्लम? 40 सेकंड में एक पूरा कंप्लीट राउंड, तो 140 सेकंड में भाई 40 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो 3.5 राउंड आ जाएगा टोटल. 3.5 राउंड टोटल. एनी प्रॉब्लम इन दिस क्वेश्चन? नो. नाउ द क्वेश्चन when asked is how many distance travel in 140 seconds. So in one round, suppose the athlete start running from point A and return to the same point. So it covers the distance in one round. Distance covered in one round will be equal to the circumference of the circle and it is equal to 2 pi r. Any problem? So this is 2 into 3.14 into r. The diameter of the track is 200 meter, so its radius will be 100 meter. Now 6 to 8 meter, this is the distance covered in one round. The distance covered in one round, but the athlete have covered 3.5 round. So in one round 628 meter, then distance covered in 3.5 round, distance covered in 3.5 round, and it will be equal to 628 into 3.5 meter. And this will be equal to 2198 meter. Any problem? So this is the distance covered after 140 seconds. Now the second part of this question is what is the displacement after 140 seconds? Since it is given that it complete one revolution in 40 seconds, and we also know that if anyone return to the same point, then the displacement would be 0. So after every revolution, हर revolution के बाद एक revolution complete, बॉडी यहीं से स्टार्ट हुआ था और यहीं पे आके रुक गया, तो उसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0, एक राउंड कंप्लीट, 2 राउंड के बाद फिर वहीं आ गया, डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0, थर्ड राउंड के बाद फिर बॉडी वहीं आके खड़ा हो गया, डिस्प्लेसमेंट 0. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट राउंड body will be, or the man or the athlete will be here. Why? Because the athlete have not completed the 4th round completely. It was, where it is, it was 0.5 means half revolution. तो हाफ रिवोल्यूशन का मतलब क्या, बॉडी चला होगा और यहाँ पे आ गया होगा. क्लियर? अब डिस्प्लेसमेंट के बारे में आपको पता है, तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज द शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ बिटवीन द इनिशियल पॉइंट एंड द फाइनल पॉइंट, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू द डायमीटर ऑफ द बॉडी. सो द डिस्प्लेसमेंट विल बी 200 मीटर. डिस्प्लेसमेंट आफ्टर 140 सेकेंड इज इक्वल टू 200 मीटर. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. Okay, there are one more method to solve this question, and it is since we know that the velocity in a circular motion is 2 pi r upon t. Clear? So what would be its velocity? 2 into 3.14 into 100 and upon time to complete one revolution is 40 seconds. So this will be equal to 40, and let me see, this is near about 15.7 meter per second. This is the velocity. This is the velocity of the athlete. Now so velocity would be, or velocity 15.7 meter per second. From the formula v equal to 2 pi r upon t. This is the formula of velocity used in case of circular motion. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the distance covered in 140 seconds. So the time was 140 seconds. So distance is equal to speed into time, then v into t, 15.7 into 140. Any problem? And this would be equal to 2198 meter. So this is the first question. Clear? And this is the second method to find out the distance.